Hey everybody, it's been a while, I know, and I don't know if you can see this in my hand here, but this is the driver's side fender from my NC. It's a little worse for the wear, and as you can see, my NC would normally be sitting here, but it's not here right now. So before everybody starts freaking out, no, my NC's not gone, and I did have another accident with it. This time I actually met up with a deer. Some of you might have seen the video that I accidentally posted a couple of months ago. So after the impact, I skidded to a stop on the shoulder and I got out to survey the damage. And it wasn't too bad. The driver's door didn't open very well. You can see my side mirror in pieces on the road behind me. The driver's fender is totally done for. And you can see the door took some damage on the edge there as well. The driver's mirror had been replaced by a tuft of fur. The windshield was toast. All that was left in some spot was just the inner laminate. And I was about 120 miles from home. So there was a rest area just a few miles down the road, and I pulled over there to assess the car in a little more detail. And it looked like it was still okay. It drove fine. So I got back on the road, and I drove it all the way back to Seattle. Oh, and one bonus, whenever I went over a bump, shards of glass fell from the windshield all the way home. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know I'm still here. It's been the crazy 2 months. I'm trying to get everything back together to get some videos finished. Basically, I had back-to-back drives starting about the beginning of May. So yeah, my car got wrecked again, but the good news is it didn't do any structural damage. That fender was actually took the worst of it, and my ghetto engineered bumper that I bolted and JV welded together didn't take a single bit of damage. Here, I'll show you. But anyway, so I've been trying to get the car ready for Miata reunion. The reason it's not here right now is because it's out getting the alignment redone. I replaced the fender, replaced the mirror, replaced the windshield, replaced the bumper. Everything's back together. It still needs a little bit of body work, and it still needs a little bit of paint. But I'm saving that until after the Miata reunion. I don't want to try to drive 3,000 miles on fresh paint. So I have it booked over Christmas. The car is going to get painted, and we're going to start 2024 with my NC looking like brand new. But coming up here, as soon as I can get some of these together, I'm going to do a series of videos that kind of detail the whole process of how I started with all these drives and ended up where I am now. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for tuning in. That's all I have right now.